Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already plugged in and powered the second monitor. Now start changing its resolution. On Windows, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. On Mac OS, open System Preferences and choose Displays. Once there, identify which screen is the secondary by clicking Identify or moving the cursor. Make sure you select that monitor in the settings list. This selection tells the system which display you will adjust, so do that first before making any resolution or scaling changes. With the secondary display selected, choose its native resolution from the resolution dropdown. Native gives the sharpest image, so prefer it when possible. If text or icons appear too small, adjust scaling or display percentage. On Windows, you can set 125% or 150%. On Mac OS, use the scaled options. Also check the refresh rate settings and pick the highest supported value for smoother motion. After choosing settings, click Apply and watch the preview. Confirm the change, or the system will revert automatically if you don't accept it. Once the resolution and scaling are set, drag the screen icons in settings to match their physical layout so the cursor flows naturally. Make sure you apply and save any changes, then test by moving windows between displays. If options are missing or unstable, update your graphics drivers and reboot. Many resolution issues resolve after a driver update. If the monitor stays blank or shows unsupported mode, switch cables or ports, and check the monitor's on-screen menu for input and compatibility settings before trying different resolutions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.